StarTech.com carries iPad Pro privacy screens to help protect your sensitive data by limiting the viewing angle of your screen. They feature 4-way privacy, keeping your data confidential in portrait and landscape modes, preventing visual eavesdropping in public spaces or travel. They use Microlouvre technology, which darkens your screen when viewed outside a plus or minus 30-degree angle, keeping your data private while providing an interactive experience with touch support. We carry models supporting all generations of 11-inch iPad Pros and 3rd generation and up 12.9-inch iPad Pros to ensure you get the right fit for your Apple tablet without interfering with your camera, speakers, or sensors. Our iPad Pro privacy filters reduce the blue light emitted by your display by up to 51% to help reduce eye strain and fatigue during prolonged use, improving visual comfort. All of our iPad Pro privacy screens have an anti-glare matte finish for environments prone to glare and offer 60% light transmittance for improved screen readability. Included is a full installation kit and instructions for a one-time application for a secure and long-lasting fit. As the IT professional's choice since 1985, our iPad Pro privacy screens are backed by a 2-year warranty and have free lifetime technical support. Discover hard-to-find made easy with StarTech.com. Place your order for our privacy screens through StarTech.com, Amazon, or your business technology provider today.